Hi, my name's Gavin Burrough and I run Wales2Win, and on and off I've been in business now for 6 years. One of the biggest challenges to date has been motivation. To keep focused on the business in hand. Additionally is maintaining the passion and vision through ups and downs. Well, one of my proudest moments has to be raising money for various charities. I've been asked over the years to help raise funds by sharing posts and events on my Facebook page in order to raise awareness and funds for much needed charities. My best marketing advice would have to be, without giving any tricks away, would be focus on relevant content. Aim at the customers that you're aiming at. There's no more point in aiming at customers that has no relevance to your business. Another piece of valuable advice I can give is give your customers incentives. Always focus on your limitations. Don't be scared to ask and outsource advice. My best Facebook advice, and obviously Twitter, would be to focus on your audience, set yourself goals, and use the assets that you already have to focus on a customer engagement. The characteristics of a successful business person surely has to be do something that you enjoy. What it boils down to, you need to get up in the morning and do something that you really enjoy. I'm lucky enough to have developed a business from a passion for rugby. If you're not happy in the situation that you have, I suggest you focus on your strengths. I have tried many jobs in the past and felt that to suit my lifestyle, as I've got kids, I needed to do something I enjoy and focus on the things in life that are most important to you. I found the passion in Welsh rugby and developed a business. But 6 years ago I decided to start Wales2Win, and that's the best decision I ever made. Top tip would be use social media. Social media today is the best route to market. Clearly works. I chose my passion of Welsh rugby and I'm nearing 50,000 likes. So my second advice would be to use engaging posts. Use photos, do your own pictures. This will encourage engagement, and in turn the likes will come in without having to allocate your budget. Engaging posts are the best thing to Facebook. They encourage sharing. Another great piece of advice I can give is to look at your business through the eyes of a customer. End of the day, your customer is the biggest part of your business.
Finally, can Wales win in New Zealand this summer?
Of course they can.